entry due to hazardous conditions.
There's a thankfulness that at least for now my house is still there.
29-year-old Avanti Prasanna considers herself one of the lucky ones. Still, she described a deep communal sense of loss.
I grew up in the Palisades. My elementary school is gone. My high school is half gone. Most of my friends have lost their homes. So it's still heartbreaking, even if your house is there, to know that what I always thought was one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in Los Angeles is just gone. And it'll never be what we knew it as.
Yesterday, California Governor Gavin Newsom signed an executive order suspending the state's landmark environmental laws as people take the initial steps to rebuild their homes and businesses. He spoke about it on NBC's Meet the Press.